On today's video, we'll be going from this to this. Let me show you how to install some turn signal indicators. So first you want to disconnect your battery. Mine is hidden. I have one of these, so for me disconnecting it is like that. Now it's disconnected. So, it should be an easy job, right? Well, we got to take out these two screws and then just switch the bulbs, isn't it? Well, not exactly. Well, we have to also install these. These are daytime running lights and turn signal lights, so they're switchback bulbs. So then we can have the indicator and the side light running because, well, it wouldn't be legal otherwise. So they should, well, it's a little bit of wiring we need to do, but nothing complicated. So first, take out these two screws. So, as you see, both of these screws, if it likes that, yeah. Can you see they have like a flat spot in the middle of both of them? Yeah, so when you do it, you have to pull the screw as well so it catches in so you can get the second half of it out, otherwise it will just be spinning in this little section here. So yeah, that's something to keep in mind. And it's just that simple. So you need to turn this like that to get that bulb out, and because I will explain why this one has so much tape in a minute and why this is different. And that's your old indicator side light thing out. So the reason why they are different, or well this one is different, is because what happened when I first bought the car was that the side light on this side wasn't working, and I opened it up to see why. All of this inside here was melted. Yeah, like the whole clip, and the whole original one was broken too. So yeah, this is aftermarket, but what I have done to make life simple was underneath here on spade connectors, so I can undo those and just sort of replug the new the new bulbs in. Yeah, these new bulbs, I can do that. I need to show you how to do some of it because I put it in a different way to what the daytime running lights are, because these ones, I've opened it up and everything, and they have a spade connector for the side lights. As you saw while I was taking it off, the live side, the cable came out of the top and, well, is, well, here. Opening this up, yeah, on the inside of these, let me focus on the box. Yeah, so inside the box you've got the bulbs itself, really the LEDs, the resistor part to make it blink because it's an LED, otherwise it blinks too quickly, and this is connected to the main side lights. It is a male on this side, so if that didn't come off, I could have just used the female from that side and just sort of plugged the two together. And now we can keep this on the side just in case if I ever want to undo this. I would be reusing the crimping one because I double checked and it can fit over. So I'm just going to slide this in. And like that. Now it's crimped. The wire can't come out. Okay, I wasn't showing you. So yeah, it's crimped now. Wire can't come out. So yeah, this bulb's easy just to remove. I'm just using a tissue just in case I want to reuse it, and because you know oils break bulbs, and that is what we have to undo. So let's install a bulb then. But we also have to do one other thing when we install the bulb. I'll talk about that in a minute. Yeah. So here is the bulb. here's the thing for the side lights, so I put that into the power, like that, push that in, so that's connected. So I need to actually zip tie this somewhere too. I think there's a few places I can put it on there. Have a look. Put that there for the moment. And for this, just drop this here for a minute while I'm going to put the side light thing back in, and just like that. So I found a place to mount the resistor there. Can you see there's that hole just at the bottom where the zip tie goes through there? One thing before I install the TSIs, install these, I'm going to just sort of do a bit of cable tying here because, well, you don't want to mess behind. So I'm just going to bundle these cables together. How can I do it? So to make it a bit more neater, before I install the TSIs into this, I'm going to do a bit of wire management because, well, it's spaghetti's mess basically behind otherwise.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something.
Look how clean that is now, just with a simple cleaning with a bit of soap and water, and a cloth, obviously. So now we can finally install the TSIs. Look at that. And all you have to do for this is you need to just push it in here and just press and twist, and it just pops in. It's not even complicated with it, like that. And just make sure the space is all clear. And then just slide that in, and then put the screws in. So this side has the small screw.
You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing.
So that's how you install TSIs onto your Mazda MX5 with Switchback bulbs. And I would definitely recommend one of these, a pair of these. So, well, thanks for watching the video. If you have any ideas or anything, put them in the comments. And hopefully I'll see you next time. See ya.